Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Let's get straight into the video, my friends. I just got done finishing up my taxes, and let me tell you what, those stocks, especially if you're day trading, make sure you're doing it on an exchange, because if you're not, then reporting it off exchange, that means you have to keep track of the date you bought it, the price you bought it at, and when you sell it, and then you have to keep track of if you add like more onto your positions. It's just a whole shit show. So try to stay on centralized exchanges. Like personally, I have a lot of money in decentralized exchanges. So I'll probably just hold that there for a good while. Probably the rest of my life, to be quite honest with you, because it is a crap show, and I do not remember where I bought them. So, Dogelon Mars is up 7.43%, as the overall market is also up, good little bit amount. In this video, we're going to go over what we need to look for to the upside, and how we are creating higher lows right now. That's a great thing. The price action we want to watch in order for us to get the best price and make the most amount of money in these coming days, weeks, and months. All right, my beautiful friends. So, if you've been following along, we have been averaging in all along these lows, especially around these 5 levels. Join the Patreon for real-time buy and sell alerts. I alert you guys the best times to buy. All of you beautiful people in the Patreon bought around these 5 and 6 levels, so we are up perfectly. I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested in joining the strong, growing community of beautiful people. So let's get straight into these charts. This is what we need to look for all of you people that have not averaged in yet. All right, this is what you want to look for. This is what we need to wait for. We have seen confirmation candle right here. All right, confirmation candle meaning big green candle overbearing previous volumes as well as overbearing previous resistances. Now that means we should be setting up a 3-bar play on these lower time frames here. Let's go to the 4 hourly candles. All right, look at this. This is what we want to see. All right, if we see this, that means you should average in. If you have not already, it's not financial advice. Simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. This is 50% of this move to the upside. Boom to boom. Measure 50% of that. We want to see this point as support. When we see that as support, we don't want it to come down here and stagger around. We want it to come down here and show major buying pressure, whether that be in a new green candle pushing higher, or whether that be this red candle coming down, touching, and then pushing higher, creating a wick. All right, but within the next 8 hours, we want to see this candle come down, test this level here around these 964s, and show strong buying pressure. If you see that strong buying pressure, that is a moment to average in. All right, join the Patreon, and I'll alert you if we see that. If you can't look at these charts all day, if you got to go to work, then it's simply impossible to get the best prices and make the most amount of money. So that's what I'm here to do for you guys. So we want to see some major buying pressure push up. That will set us up for a 3-bar play. After that, we want to see it push higher than these 1030s. Boom, 3-bar play. That's a very, very strong bullish sign to the upside that we are creating major support around these 924 levels, 920 levels. Previous here, we have not only come down once, not only come down and touch these 9s twice, we've come down and touch it now 3 times, okay? And it's staggered lower, so it's a great thing. It's exactly what we saw around this area. 1, 2, 3s, and then it went really high, not came back down, which is a good thing. Overall market also came back down. However, the overall market is very, very low right now, and is starting to enter a reversal pattern, which means it's going to continue to the upside, most likely. So, in the coming days and weeks, we are in for a nice little profit, all right? Especially if you followed along and are averaged in below these 10 levels, all right? If you have bought, personally, I started buying around these 16s, okay? And then the reason I started buying around these 16s is after it spiked, markets were looking amazing. So I started averaging in as it dipped. I tried to catch the falling knife, but I didn't average in too much, and I knew I was going to average in for a while to come. So averaged in here, boom, 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 all along this. Then I started averaging in around these 10 levels once and twice. All right, as it spiked, wait, hold, 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 hold. Comes back down, drops below, beautiful thing. Averaged more in around these 6 levels. So now my average is around these, probably around the 12 levels, 11 to 12 levels. But I have 2 accounts open. So I opened one to the 6th level because I knew that was going to be a nice little profit there. So that is on a centralized exchange. The rest of it is on a decentralized exchange that I will be holding for over a year to 2 years minimum. So it's going to be a great thing. Boom. Crypto billionaire 69. We are looking very nice, and we just need to hodl strong because we want to see us break these 10 levels in the next 2 days. Okay, once we do that, it will be a strong sign that we are moving up. If you have not averaged in yet, watch these. You want to watch these 964 levels for strong buying pressure, because that is a very good sign that we are creating a 3-bar play moving to the upside. If you can't watch them, join the Patreon. I'll do it for you. Crypto billionaire 69. I will catch you guys in the next video if you want to learn in-depth technical analysis like this. So you don't have to watch these videos, and you can use this type of information on any coin you like, any stock you like. There's a course in the description. Go check it out. It'll teach you everything you need to know in order to make a living trading cryptocurrency. I will see you guys in the next video. Crypto billionaire 69 out.